What's up guys, LaShondaCapri here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to 3-strand braid. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to get this super protective hairstyle for your child's hair and your hair. So if you're interested, continue to watch the video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up this video guys. Turn on post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And let's jump straight into this video. So it's pretty simple. You want to make 3 equal parts. A right strand, a middle strand, and a left strand. Now everybody braids differently. As you can see, I'm taking my middle strand and placing it over my right strand. And then I am taking my left strand and placing it under my right strand. And I'm just going to continue that process over and over again until I make a complete braid. Also, make sure that you pull out any of your edges. You don't want to braid your edges tight at all, so I just pull those out and continue my braid.